Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Afterpay on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. And yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you simply gotta go ahead, open up your app store on your mobile phone, and then go to search bar and type in Afterpay, and then search it up. And once you have got your particular Afterpay option right over here, tap on this get option and double click, scan your face ID, and then wait till it starts downloading. So downloading basically takes this little blue circle to be completed, which has right appeared right over here, and then it will simply done be installed as well at the same time. So you just have to have some patience and wait for the given seconds over there, and then tap on this option of open once it's done being downloaded and installed. And this is how it's gonna appear. Now you will be able to use it however you like, and that is it. So that's how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.